let me just ask you this. John Roberts said that Roe versus Wade is the settled law of the land. Do you believe it is the settled law of the land?
Roe versus Wade is an important precedent of the Supreme Court. It was decided in 1973, so it's been on the books for a long time. It has been challenged on a number of occasions, and I discussed those yesterday, and the Supreme Court has reaffirmed the decision, sometimes on the merits, sometimes in Casey, based on stare decisis. And I think that when a decision is challenged and it is reaffirmed, that strengthens its value.
Is it fair for the court to consider scientific changes and when a fetus becomes viable as medical science evolves?
Senator Graham, I do think that in every area that it is fair to consider scientific changes. I've talked in the past about how different forms of technology influence the evolution of the court's Fourth Amendment jurisprudence.
Well, I'm glad to hear you say that, because just as it would have been wrong to not consider the changes of how society had evolved versus segregation of young children based on race, I hope the court would consider the modern concept of viability in the 21st century, and whatever protection you could give the unborn would be much appreciated on my part by considering science, not your personal feelings, because I think it's appropriate for the court.